Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Printify at 2026. So actually guys, at first you will need to know about what you need before integration. So make sure you have a Shopify store and a Printify account and active products idea or design. So the integration works by syncing products, orders, and fulfillment automatically between both platforms. Okay, so as I told you, you will need to create a Printify account. So you'll need to sign up on Printify and create your first store inside Printify. And to do that, you will need to click on get started for free or sign up, the button that's located on the top right corner. And after creating an account, actually you will need just go back to your Shopify and click on the settings, the button that's located on the left hand menu. It's the last one, and after that just go and click on the apps option on the left hand menu too, and then just go and click on Shopify and app or Shopify app store. Okay, and then select the search bar just like so and type inside it Printify. Okay, that's the option or that's the app, Printify print on demand. Click it and then just go with install, and right now we are going to be forwarded into the confirmation page, so we will need just to click on install again, and there you go. So this is the app, we integrated it already on our Shopify, so you will need just to sign in, enter your credential or your account's credentials on Printify, and then hit sign up. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.